guys, I'm Emily from Emily Faith, and today we are going to be trying the Suave 2-in-1 Smoother Shampoo plus Conditioner Slime. So what you need is the 2-in-1 Smoother Shampoo and salt, and a bowl and a spoon. So first we're going to add as much as shampoo as you want. Adding that much. And then I'm going to get some salt and pour in a little bit. Not that much. It's like a pinch. And then you'll stir that. She said it's supposed to clump up. Kind of. Kind of make it fine. May need to add some more salt. There we go. Now it's starting to work. And then after you're done, you are supposed to, it says to leave it out for like 20 minutes and then see if it'll work. So I'm going to go leave it out for about 20 minutes and then I'll come back with the products. Okay, I went and got my slime out of the refrigerator. It's been in there for about 30 minutes. Now we're going to see. I think it worked. Oh my gosh. It looks like it worked. Yes, it worked. So I would definitely recommend this one. I like it. It's very stretchy and it pokes. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. I just click the subscribe button and the thumbs up button, and see you in the next video. Bye.